3 shock mount ones. You're gonna want to loosen the nut end ones, not the bolt end ones. Got the rear 2 loosened. Gonna take them out and leave that front one for after we lift it. 1, 2, 3. And then while you're doing it, you're gonna want to be really careful not to break your heated windshield. Breaking loose this mount for the brake line and the ABS sensor. So that's got a little tab on it. You just lift up and it comes out. Alright, 17 millimeter. And then 22 millimeter for these big guys. Like I said, you're gonna want to make sure not to put any tension on either of these, but get it out of the way a little bit, and then we'll go back up top and remove that last bolt, and she comes out. All right, so we already removed the back 2 bolts. Now we just gotta do this last one.
Okay.
All you have to do is touch it, and she falls out. All right, just got your shocks out. You're gonna want to put this guy on, and then you're gonna want to get all of them started before you put any of them tight, because once one of them's tight, you won't have the clearance to get any of the rest on. Pull it up a little bit, get them started, then you can go around and tighten them all down. And they're all 14 millimeter. That's what we're gonna do. And then work the bottom end. I'm gonna loosely put one of these bolts in so it doesn't fall. That's just to prevent from dropping it on myself. Alright. Gonna line them up, loosely put that on so it doesn't slide out. Get our other bolt. Alright. Loosely put it on, and then I'm gonna go around and get all the bolts back in place before I tighten anything up. I'm gonna snug these up a little. Get this clip back on, top and bottom, and then make sure that tab on the brake line is in front, and bolt right through it. And same with this plastic ABS clip. Put your bolts on. Let's see what happens when we take that out. Hey, it went together. How about that? Alright, so we got everything back together. We're just going around and tightening it all down. Now we get to torque the big boys.
They're specialized Heelys there.
Just gonna remember to tighten on the top 3 as well. think I forgot anything. Pop it out once the strut's loose. And there you have it. Between the plastic, or not the plastic, the metal of this cross member and the body. This orientation, you get a confirmation click. So right here, this rubber grommet slides back into this bracket. Couple clips on the bottom here and here. You have to go down and slide in. Make sure the top of it is up against the windshield and apply pressure all the way across. And then went in.
When he turned it off.
Oh yeah. Like an inside. And I'm gonna put this back under this just to relieve some tension.
Is that bolt pointing? It is.
Yeah.
Pops right out.
And it's probably got a couple more coils in it too, huh? At least one. Love it. Cool stuff, Prius. Go into the top on the body. Prius off-road, upright and outward is what we were told. Bring that knuckle out just a little bit. Oh. Or a certain spring rate.
Yeah, well, that's what I mean.